I think I've shared this before, but there's something new in the box which I wanted to share with you. So it's for 575 rupees and it's only 30 ml, which is okay because we are gonna use it only for eyes. So for your dark circles or let's see. So here it relieves dark circles, sun recovery, and it gives hydration, which is a must as you know how the weather is getting and how the sun is affecting our skin. And it's always good for fine lines, wrinkles, which are common problem that happens with time. Now I'm going to unbox this. So just give me a minute. Yeah, so here it is, and now let me show this to you. Okay, so on the inside is this, and they've packed it really well, so I need some more effort to take it out. Here you can see that it is 94% proven, so that means it really works on the dark circles. Now here I've taken this part out and you see, so we have this, and there's one more thing there. So this, you know this, right? So this is like kind of the bottled one. It is glass bottle, which is good to store anything for long time also. And I've shared the things, the ingredients and everything in the videos that I've shared before, but the new thing that I wanted to show was this that is inside. Let me take it out. So here it is. Now this is kind of spoon, but it's not spoon because it's round, egg-shaped or oval ball. This is stainless steel. Now you're gonna use this. So on this, you'll take a small amount, a pea size of the under eye cream. You will put it here, and then you will take it, around your eyes. So this is gonna help in good absorption of the cream, so it's not touching your tips, because when it touches your fingertip, some of the cream is absorbed in your fingers also, right? So when you're gonna use it, it's the cream is going to completely absorb in the skin, and it's going to be more effective. So next time when you're buying this, make sure you're buying it with this, right? So it will make your absorption is better. So if the absorption is better, then the effects will be better, right? So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.